there, little friends! Today, we're going to learn the letter J. Stick around to the end, and we can meet some real animals. If you like learning with us, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. First, let's draw the letter J together. Grab your finger or a crayon, and let's trace it together. Start at the top. Make a big curve down and around to the left. Great job! Now, let's see if you can guess the animal that starts with the letter J. Look at this picture and see if you can guess which animal it is. Do you know which animal it is? Shout out your guess. Let's see if you're right. It's a jellyfish. Great job! Now, let's meet some real jellyfish and learn some cool facts about them. Did you know that jellyfish have been around for millions of years? Even before dinosaurs. That's so cool! Jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or bones. They are mostly made of water. Isn't that incredible? Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. This is called bioluminescence. How amazing is that? Wasn't that fun? We learned about the letter J and saw real jellyfish in action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye.